More security gear won't fix weak coverage or app clutter. Ring Alarm Pro is the connected home default. Switch for lower cost or simpler monitoring. Choose by coverage, ecosystem, cost, and monitoring. For large, connected homes, I'd start with Ring Alarm Pro. Buy it when you want security and an Aero Wi-Fi 6 router in one hub. It's especially useful for cameras or weak coverage near your home's edges. Optional cellular internet backup helps through short outages. But router controls live in the separate Aero app, and the Pro costs more without a major alarm advantage. Skip it if your current Wi-Fi works well or broad third-party compatibility matters. For most homes with solid Wi-Fi, Ring Alarm 2nd Generation is the value play. Buy it for nearly the same core alarm experience, broad camera choices, and plenty of sensors. It fits neatly when you already own a router or mesh network. The compromise is automation, which favors Alexa over wider third-party support. Monitoring and longer video history also bring subscription costs. Skip it if weak wireless coverage is the problem you need this purchase to solve. For a simpler monitored setup, choose SimpliSafe. Buy it if approachable installation, voice-guided setup, and flexible monitoring matter more than a huge accessory catalog. You won't be tied to a long contract, which keeps the commitment manageable. However, its camera and sensor lineup is smaller than Ring's, and video storage needs a higher monitoring tier. Phone support isn't available 24/7. Skip it if you want the widest expansion path or voice disarming. Large home or weak coverage, Ring Alarm Pro. Existing router and better value, Ring Alarm 2nd Generation. Straightforward installation with flexible monitoring, SimpliSafe. Before buying, check wireless coverage, sensor locations, camera needs, subscription costs, app preferences, and available space near your router. Start with Ring Alarm Pro when coverage and connected home control justify the extra hardware. Switch to Ring Alarm for value, or SimpliSafe for easier monitoring choices. Then add sensors where doors and windows need protection. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.